Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading, and today is Sunday, and I will finally finish up my weekly reading for this session of this week. Today comes Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces, and the reading starts with Sagittarius. Welcome, Sagittarius. I'm using 6 card decks in this reading, and the reading starts with the Wild Unknown Archetypes card. Out for you came the Riddle. And the Riddle, what is it all about? Well, it's about some mystery. It is the puzzle and also the question. When the riddle appears in your life, you have to stop searching for the right answer because it cannot be found, and ultimately it is also not important. Rather, there must be a shift from the literal to the metaphorical and from logic to mythic. You might be thinking too small about a situation, so the riddle card appears when the energy is deep and mysterious, like the elusive wisdom in a Zen koan. So focusing harder will not do it, and neither will your increased effort. Time, surrender, and humor are your only allies here, and what feels like the most pressing dilemma will not reveal its deeper wisdom for a long time. So eventually you will learn a profound lesson from this riddle. For now, get comfortable with the limitations of your intellect and the reality of not knowing. It may in fact be the only reality there is. Now ponder this koan. When a coin is lost in a river, it is also found there eventually. And ask this, who am I? And know that the only way to work with a riddle successfully is to let it be and trust that it might solve itself eventually. The good tarot card that came out for you is Strength, and strength relates to endurance. See this? I can go the distance and know that everything occurs in divine, appropriate timing. I have courage as I manifest my miracles. When I allow the Spirit to work through me, I am strong enough to move mountains and to overcome any obstacle inside or outside of me. The Dungeons and the Dragons card that you got is the Queen of Charisma, and this queen is creating a nurturing space for yourself and for others to achieve some greatness. Maintaining the work and life balance is asked for. And a special message here is that a farmer claims that his goose that lays golden eggs has been stolen by a cyclops and is asking for your help in getting the goose back. Yeah, I would like it back too, because it can lay golden eggs, right? So, next one. is the goddess temple. And out came the card Care. And Care, she is the goddess bringing you nourishment, abundance, generosity, and creative ability. And she also relates to a network of roots, responsibility, well being, lots of support, containment, and maturity. The Medicine Woman card you got is Great Mystery. And the Great Mystery says, I reveal the wisdom keys of your destiny. I am the crone, she says. I am the grandmother. I watch over you constantly, and I frequent the great mystery, which hands you the keys to the secrets of your destiny. My connection to the science of the stars and dance of the planets gives me great wisdom, and so trust in my messages. My spirit is full of old memories, and I talk to the ancestors. I am the ancestral knowledge contained within the cycle of time and sacred legends. I guide you with love on your life's pathway, and I light the way to your destiny. You can call on me, or you can talk to me to better understand your life experiences and then embrace them. Through me, your ancestors send you their messages and their protection. And Eckhart Tolle said, life will give you whatever experience is most helpful for the evolution of your consciousness. The guidance here is that a time has come to lift a corner of the great mysterious veil and to orient yourself on your life's pathway. The Medicine Woman of Great Mystery encourages you to discover who you truly are and what your next step will be. She brings you greater confidence in your evolutionary processes. So explore the mystery of your roots, have your astrological or your numerological birth chart done, or make an appointment with your therapist. Something is in the works here, and you are blessed and you are protected. This is your time, so take stock on what you have learned and draw life lessons from your experiences. Your wisdom is growing, is the message. So awaken your medicine and connect with this archetype to identify the gift or life lesson in the experience you are going through, because it is a signpost on your pathway, on your destiny. Open your ritual space, take up your drum, burn some sage to embrace your ancestors' memories, and ask your question. What memory watches over you? What wisdom, what life lesson is the memory passing down to you? Explore and let the images and the messages come to you. Ask to receive the wisdom of your ancestors now and for future generations, and then give thanks. Be open to synchronicities and meaningful encounters throughout the day, and trust that you have been heard and your prayers, they have been answered. Celebrate each step, because only you can know in the deep wisdom of your heart what has brought you to this point. And the sacred traveler card that came out is Rejuvenating Rain. Yeah, and rain is wonderful. It does wonders for us sometimes, I think. So, rejuvenating rain. The rain clears the past and heals the present. The meaning here is that physical and emotional healing is occurring. There is a cleansing and clearing of all the emotional wounds, and even a release of past life limitations is happening. All is forgiven. So absolve yourself, forgive others their transgressions against you, because it is time to let it all go. The sacred traveler wants you to know, in order for new growth to occur, the old must be cleared away. So the card indicates a time of clearing out what does not serve and support you anymore. It can also indicate some clutter clearing. If you do not love what you have and if you do not use it, most likely it is clutter. Physical clutter can be indicative of emotional clutter, so it is time to release it and allow the cleansing metaphorical to appear. So, time is that this is also a great time to go on a cleansing fast to clear out your body, while old emotions and challenges are clearing out of your energy field. Use water for cleansing your energy field. Maybe stand in a cold shower, or swim in the sea, or just run in the rain. And when I was a kid, we did that a lot in the summertime. The rain was warm, so we would run around barefoot in the water splashes that the rain left, and that was fun. Well, it's a long time ago, and as adults, I guess we are losing the capable meanings of the simple things of life that we should more embrace even as adults, I guess. So that was the reading for Sagittarius. I hope it worked with the new phone that I got. I will find out afterwards. Wishing you a wonderful Sunday, Sagittarius. I will be back tomorrow on Monday doing my usual shaman oracle readings for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. So, thanks for listening. Take care and goodbye.